The Israeli citizenship law violates the most fundamental rights of Palestinians to establish a family life. The law bars Palestinians with Israeli citizenship or residency from extending their legal status to their Palestinian partners from the West Bank or Gaza.
מדינת ישראל מקבלת היום במתנה חוק אזרחות משודרג ומשופר עם סעיף מטרה שאומר במפורש שמטרת החוק היא שמירה על מדינה יהודית. זה לא היה קורה אם היינו נכנעים או ממצמצים.
I was the attorney for Mr. and Mrs. Khumani in 1979 and 1980. Mr. Khumani had urban residential rights in Cape Town. His wife wanted to join him with the children, and the dispute was about whether she and the children had the right to live with him in Cape Town. The government took the position that she was illegally in Cape Town because she didn't have a house permit for where she was living.
The administration boards, which were really terrible institutions, they were at the heart of apartheid. They were run by people who were ideologues committed to keeping South Africa white.
In 1979, the Legal Resources Centre was established, and the first case we took on, in fact, was the Khumani appeal.
And I remember Jeff coming up and he showed me the papers, and I read the judgment. I said, well, I don't think we've got any chance, but let's take the case on.
The Khumanis brought a case to the High Court in Cape Town, challenging this, asserting that the family had a right to be together.
And when we left court, I thought we were going to win, which we did.
One of the things that interests me about the new law in Israel is that it's an extraordinary situation where the law says that a family may not live together. There clearly is a parallel, but the system of separating families failed the test in South Africa. Even under apartheid law, Mr. and Mrs. Khumani had a right to live together with their children.
This law creates two separate legal tracks with regards to family rights and citizenship. It is precisely the definition of apartheid.